Hi guys, good evening. Today I'm just at home. I've just arrived now from Nyabuhanse. Today I want to clean this is my screen. I'm cleaning my screen now, as you can see. This is my screen. So today I've gone to Nyabuhanse. I didn't stay at Nyabuhanse today. Just arrived now from Nyabuhanse. I'm at home doing a cleanliness to my screen. This is my screen, as you can see. I do watch, see how things are in the various areas. So I just do my cleanliness here. This is my screen. Hi guys, this is my screen. It's an old model, but old model. And it's an old model. Oh, wow.
That's okay. You want the next video na wote.
Kana wegenderi kwimukia kidakika kike.
Ele se toca. Vou botar no. Aí toca.
Hi guys, today I'm just at home resting, seeing how doing some cleanliness and some repair to my screen. I would like you to subscribe in my channel, YouTube channel, Baba Ebenezer. Unfortunately, Ebenezer has not come from Nairobi. He's still at Nairobi. Today is the fourth day. He was recording. He has made with one song, so that to complete. But I think by next week, around on Friday, he will be back. He called me and told me that maybe on Friday he will be back from Nairobi. So here, I'm just here at home doing some roundness in my screen to watch news, watch videos. So guys, this is the work at and I'm in the village. Thank you. Continue subscribing in my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.